Sanibonani, welcome back to Umkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you so much for clicking into the channel. Kindly subscribe, subscriber, like a video, share a video. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for your love and support. Now you guys ngilana ngendaba kaLuvo Nqaza. Angazi noma uLuvo uyoNqaza noma uLuvo. I see this boy has been trending. You guys izolo I couldn't upload any videos. I only uploaded video early in the morning, and then after that I was busy with the family as we have problems. So now you guys I couldn't work yesterday properly, so mangibuya and then ngifica kune video la trend on social media eyomfana ukuthiwa uLuvo Nqaza. uLuvo ku clip ushaya ugogo wakhe. uLuvo nogogo bane argument, and then uLuvo phakamisa isandla ushaya ugogo uyamthuka. Hey bafethu namhlanje kunezinto ezinjene ezenzekayo. Like I'm actually shocked. When I saw this I was shocked, and mangithi ngiyafundisisa kahle bathi uLuvo ugcine eboshiwe, angazi ukuthi ugogo usesibhedlela into ekanjalo. Guys, ushaye ugogo wawela phansi into ekanjalo. Uyazi ukuthi amadolo abogogo wasaqinile nkosi yami. Ugogo wawa phansi wakuqanga amadolo, uyazini eshaywa umzukulu. And ungathola ukuthi nje nguye omkhulisile ugogo. Yonke lento hayi bafethu esikubonayo kodwa on social media yini yona le umbetha kanjani umuntu omdala ongaka, umfana omncane man abuse ugogo. You guys, like, no, this clip is trending, and ngendlela ngibona ngakhona sekungenelele iEFF, sekungenelele umphakathi, and yeah, it's actually very bad. Ungathola ukuthi mhlamba akaqali nokuqala uyenza uLuvo lento ayenza kugogo. Hayi bafethu, inhlamba ayithuka ugogo angeke ngikwazi nokuyibiza. Ngizothanda ukuthi ngathi ngiyathula kancane ngidlale lamhla, angazi noma uzozwa yini. Bengifuna ukuthi ngidlale nje le clip. Hayi wena Gogo fell down. Njengobuza la uLuvo lona eshaya ugogo, gogo wela phansi into kanje. Guys, lento le yazini mara, what is this mara? Kuthiwa lana ngomunye uthi EFF visited police station where Luvo Nqaza, he's 19 years old, has been arrested. This comes after he was seen in a video brutally assaulting his grandmother. He is expected to appear before the Blue Downs Magistrate Court on a charge of assault. EFF also visited ugogo at the hospital. Ngibonile kwenye iclip njalo amalungu EFF bekhona lapha ngakubo kaLuvo bayabuza futhi nakulo bethatha ivideo, bayambuza ukuthi uyithatha kanjani ivideo nokuthi bekutheni engathi uthi uLuvo nguye othi angithathe ivideo. Like no yo lo mfana, and kuthiwa uye lo mfana he's also on Facebook. I will throw on my screen this Facebook page, something like that. Luvo. They are saying Luvo there. I think here it's Luvo Nqaza. Kune profile yakhe laphana you guys. He went to Masibambane Secondary School in Cape Town, Western Cape. He works at World what that is his profile. I do not know it. They are saying posted the profile yake uthi please do something about this boy. We don't need such people in our communities. This is Luvo or Luluvo. Ngithi mhlambe mabethi Luvo banqamla leli gama lakhe, I do not know. Apparently this is him below from Cape Town, Grandfontein, igama uLuvo Nqaza on Facebook. Now people are just exposing him, you guys, but lo mfana oshaya ugogo. Like, yo guys, when I saw that, no. Like, why would you do that emntwini omdala? Why would you do that to your granny, ugogo, okukhulisile mhlambe? Uyenza kanjani leyo nto, you guys? Lo mfana ubethe ugogo wakhe. Hayi bafethu, no. No, ayibusiseka leyo nto. Awukwazi even ukumthuka ugogo, awukwazi. Ungamane ngihleli ngisho igazi ngithi umuntu omdala mangabe noma mhlawumbe usubona ukuthi la ngiyasukelwa umuntu omdala, ungamane uthule uzenze isilima. Don't insult back umuntu omdala. Don't insult back. Imagine this boy laying his hands on ugogo wakhe. Umbeka kanjani ugogo wakhe isandla? Lo luvo lona you guys, lento ayibusisekanga bafethu, no man. Ayibusisekanga. Ngithe mangiyibona le video I was like, no. Is this real omhlambe amanganyana thize kuthiwa uboshiwe mabesho angazi kuyiqiniso kangakanani but uthethwe ngamaphoyisa uzovela ecourt into kanjalo, you guys. So this is the boy uLuvo. Angazi lana this picture where they put him, he's like behind bars, you know, on social media how they will do things, you guys. You guys, isikubona here apparently Luvo has been arrested after this. He was seen on a trending video physically assaulting and insulting his grandmother. A 19-year-old man requested his cousin to take a video of him assaulting. Njengoba you guys sizwa kuthiwa nguye othe umzalo wakhe akathatha ivideo. Ukwenzeleni lokuthi umzalo akathatha ivideo? Did he want to expose himself? And then someone said, why is the cameraman not arrested? Ngoba cameraman kuthiwe ithathe le video. Like, I don't understand. But anyway, mina I'm grateful for the video because ugogo azoba saved, okay? I'm grateful for the video because he's finally exposed. I don't mangabe akaka exposed and then he continues to do this to ugogo. Bafethu, no. Lento lena, you guys, like banjani labantwana banamhlanje, banjani labantwana. Someone said this video is really painful. I can't heal. There is not even a single man on that family who have anger like me. Yo, anganya shame. But now he will be greeting his ancestors. Somebody saying this boy's life is going to be an example of what happens if you break the fifth commandment. Wait and see the court giving him bail and then he goes to harm the grandmother again. Akasuke kagogo, ugogo yathi kusemzini wakhe akasuswe kagogo. Ukhulile akahambe akasuswe kagogo. Otherwise you guys uyogcina elimaza ugogo. Ngempela kunje ugogo kuthi usesibhedlela, right? Ngendaba yalomntana lona. Wesumntana uthola ukuthi mkhulisile loyo mntana lona after all. Asking his cousin to film a video was a blessing in disguise, as this might be the end of the endless torment Gogo has been experiencing at home for this evil grandson. Like I said, ukuthi mhlambe mina ngiyayibongela ivideo because now he's exposed. Ubezoqhubeka yenza lento uzogcina ugogo ashona because how dare ushaya ugogo wakho awele phansi. Nayibona lento you guys ukuthi no. So abantu bathu cameraman must get arrested as well. Manje uthi cameraman phela ngiceliwe ukuthi angithathe le video. Someone said it is so uncalled for, breaking the commandment that says respect your mother and father until the days of life. I'm really heartbroken. The young boy's voice at the back saying bayathanda ukulwa abantu. This is not the first time they are fighting, quarreling. uLuvuyo wanted to prove a point and it backfired. Luvuyo and his mom don't love Gogo, and by looks of this Luvuyo is fighting his mom's bagels. Noma ngabe kunjalo, you guys know. Mangabe kunjalo, then the mother must be arrested. Where is the mother? Because I don't see her. Anyway, kuma clips, you guys, like, no man. No. Lomntana ushaya igogo noma ngabe usuthiwa you are fighting your mother's bag. Hayi. Uyibona le? Le izokugulisa ngisho ungabaza abantu ukugule nje. Ukubona nje umuntu omdala ethukwa ngomntana. It's painful. Imagine ukubona ebethwa awele phansi umuntu omdala aguqe ngedolo kuchitheka amapapa kuchitheka. Hayi guys, no. Ashaywa ingane. Noma sekuthiwa wrong umuntu omdala miyeke mfulathele esuke eduze kwakhe hamba. Noma ubona ukuthi la ngathi yazi ngathi nje inhliziyo yami iyagcwala. Suka eduze kwakhe ubone ukuthi umuntu. Sometimes ogogo you guys sebekhulile laba bantu man. Kwakuthi umuntu omdala mesekhulile ujika acabange njengengane, ajike futhi akhulume njengengane. So into enjalo nje wena mawubona ukuthi you know what lana nje ngathi ngiyacasuka. Ngangcono usuke eduze kwakhe. Akuthuke athini, suka nje lapho hamba fulathela. Don't insult back. Don't shout. Let alone ukumbetha man. let alone ukumbetha man. Ukhulile man ugogo. Abana le video ayi bafethu angazi isho uvula ka comment section ulike i video subscribe bafethu sobonana futhi ku video elandelayo bye.